Good day, I'm Samantha Allen and this is your GIS News for Thursday, September 19. As U.S. the Cambridge Joint Venture Association with Waller Marine Incorporated is the preferred bidder for the proposed 360-megawatt power plant. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, made the announcement at a press briefing on Wednesday.
As U.S. Cambridge is now required to furnish the OUR with its bid security, representing 1% of the total investment cost of the proposed project within 15 days.
That's about $6.9 million. If Azurest Cambridge fails to pay this money within the stipulated timeline, the next entity in line, Energy World International Limited, will be allowed to undertake the project. The provision of 360 megawatts of power to the national grid is a critical component of the government's plans to slash energy costs. The plan is to reduce the cost of electricity from the current 42 US cents per kilowatt hour to between 15 and 20 cents. 3 bidders have been shortlisted for the privatization of the Kingston Container Terminal. The companies are DP World, PSA International and Terminal Link Consortium. Permanent Secretary in the Transport Works and Housing Ministry Audrey Sewell made the revelation at Wednesday's Jamaica House press briefing. She said by the end of September a legal consultant or firm would be engaged to guide the process and the borehole study should be finished by November. The privatization of the Kingston Container Terminal is a part of the government's economic reform program as it moves to position Jamaica as the logistics hub of the Americas. The preferred bidder is expected to be announced by May 2014 following an assessment of received proposals. Cabinet has approved the Charities Act, which regulates all charitable organizations operating in Jamaica. The act, which forms part of the Simpson-Miller administration's economic reform program, will help to strengthen the tax system.
The bill will provide a definition for charitable organizations, the designation of the Registrar of Charitable Organizations by the responsible minister, which will keep and maintain a register of all registered charitable organizations.
Meanwhile, Cabinet has also approved the implementation of the 2012 Harmonized System of Classification, which will come on stream on November 1. The system, which will maximize trade in Jamaica, will identify all commodities by a special code.
It will help with the synchronization of customs and international trade procedures and is regarded as a major plank in international trade facilitation efforts.
Ground has been broken for the development of a new 20-inch transmission pipeline to supply water to residents of Lucy, Hanover and its environs. The Lucy pipeline replacement and non-revenue water reduction project costs $12.6 million.
This new pipeline will at the same time maximize the quantity of water being transferred and eliminate the high levels of non-revenue water from badly leaking pipelines.
The Portfolio Minister, Robert Pickersgill, added that contractors Vinci Construction Grants Projects is expected to complete the work in the next 6 months. Jamaicans are encouraged to clean up all beaches as the country observes International Coastal Cleanup Day on Saturday, September 21. The global initiative is aimed at removing debris from coastlines and record data on material accumulated.
We also seek to bring awareness to the issue of improper disposal of solid waste along Jamaica's coastline, as well as just try and raise awareness on the importance of beaches.
The environmental officer at the National Environment and Planning Agency, NEPA, was speaking at a recent JIS think tank session. She said at least 91 sites have been registered for cleanup, and NEPA, along with the Urban Development Corporation, will lead activities at the Helsha Bay Beach and the Shipwreck Beach along the Palisadoes Strip. Interested persons can visit the Jamaica Environment Trust's website at jamentrust.org to register project sites or to find out about those in their area. And finally, a delegation from the Botswana state media is now in the island to watch and learn about government communication in Jamaica. Since their arrival on Tuesday, the delegation has been participating in several targeted communication and information activities to benchmark best practices of the Jamaica Information Service. This included a visit to the weekly Jamaica House press briefing and a special meeting of government communicators. Deputy Permanent Secretary Mohomutsi Kabwe Modimo highlighted the significance of the visit.
But we would like to learn how you do it, how you are able to handle the information services of government, the manners in which you do it, whether it's by publications, radio, and whatever else you do, how you get together as members of this unique function.
The delegation also paid a courtesy call on Information Minister Senator Sandria Faulkner. The 5-member team leaves on September 23. And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Samantha Allen. Thanks for watching.